Hi everyone, it's fall and it's time to get some free seeds. So this is such an easy little budget-friendly project, and it's how to get some annual seeds for free. In particular, we're going to be collecting some Zinnia and Marigold seeds. It's a perfect time to do it, and I'm going to talk about why in a minute. But also what I love about this is perfect to do with kids. So this can be a great lesson, a science project or an art project, or just learning a little bit about gardening and spending some quality time together in the garden, which I love to do. So I'm hoping to get my grandson out here for a little bit because we've been teaching him how to get some free seeds, and he's not even 4 yet. So it's not too young to start teaching the little ones about gardening. So we're here at my daughter Hannah's house, and she has a little walkway. And this year, we switch it up a little bit every year, but this year it's been loaded with zinnias of all different colors. I have a quick little photo or maybe a video for you, and some lemon yellow little marigolds. So I think we want to replicate this again next year, and I would love to be able to do that for free. So now I know you're all tempted, it's fall, to do some garden cleanup and pull your annuals out of the ground and throw them in the compost. But listen to my spiel first, because I really love getting free things and sharing that with you. So this is going to be a really fun project. All right, Jonathan, let's show everybody where the seeds are. Come over in the video. All right, this is Jonathan. Say hi. Hi. All right, so these are the flowers, but once they fade, where are the seeds? Can you show everybody? Where do the seeds hide in here? Yeah, so they're the brown ones, right? I don't know if we can get a close-up of what Jonathan is pointing out, but that's where the seeds are. So we can do this together, right?
Yeah.
It's going to be a lot of fun. I also bought some little seed packets that we can put them in and give them away to preschool teacher and some other friends for gifts for the upcoming holidays. So that's just a little aside. And then we get a chance to do some artwork on the seed packets, which could be fun because you like art too, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so how do we collect them? So there's an easy way to do this. Let's start with the zinnias. And so I'm just going to be snipping the heads. So you hold the bag open, right? So now remember, we are looking for the dried up, crispy, spent blooms, and we don't need the petals. So you could use this one here, but then you're just going to have to remove the petals. I'm just taking a little brown bag, put it in there, and then we're going to seal it up. Ready? You do it too. Shake it. All right, give it a good shake. Okay, let's see what's in there. Ready? Ooh, are there seeds?
Yeah.
All right, let's see if we can show the camera what's in the bag. Okay. You could even do a whole bunch at the same time. You want to pick a whole bunch? And just see if we can pluck them right off. Oh, good job. Okay, yep.
You see?
Seeds. Yep. Keep going. Do you want to do some more?
Yeah.
Here, I can hand them to you too if you want to put them in there.
Yeah.
All right. All right. You want to do it again?
Yeah.
Split it. Yep. Hold it tight.
Good. Get it.
Let's see what's in there. Ooh, there's a lot of them in there. Okay. So crispy is good, right? You want to shake it. We want to hear them crispy. Okay. Whoa. Okay, so before I show you the seeds, I want to point out a couple things. Number one is you don't want damp or moist seeds. You want them dry. So you want a dry, sunny day is ideal. And if they do look like this, it's okay to pull off the petals, right? We just remove the petals because the seeds are here, right in the center. So it's fine to wait a little bit and leave them in the garden so you can really see the brown ones that you can be harvesting for free seeds. But also I want to mention that it's a good idea to leave some hanging around. So the birds will enjoy them, and not only that, but they'll just reseed themselves right in the ground. So you'll have some added insurance that you'll have some more zinnias and marigolds next year. All right, let's go dump these out so we can show everyone what we have. And then we're going to show you a second method for gathering them if you don't have any bags around. Okay, so Jonathan's going to take a break and go play monster trucks. So I'm just going to show you what we're doing here. I'm going to take the seeds out and just spread them out. So you can leave them in the paper bag to dry, or you can spread them out, cardboard box, or some paper towels on your counter, or even an old sheet pan, and just let them dry before you store them. So another method is, if you don't have the bag, you really can just pull these apart. Now you are going to get a mix of some petals and seeds, but we just store them all. Unless you want to take the time to separate them. I'll just show you quickly the difference. So these are the seeds. They look like little arrowheads. And petals here. So those, they're not going to produce anything. So we want the seeds, but we have a good mix of them. Okay, so let's get to our marigolds. Let's do those next. Okay, we're looking for some spent blooms or some brown crispy flower heads here. So they're crispy to the touch. And so what we're going to do is just remove these little pods here and peel them open. And this is where the seeds are. So many free seeds in here. So if you want to take the time to do this with the kids, you can separate all of the seeds and let them dry a little bit, or you can just take the pods and save those until springtime and peel them apart then so you can keep them in your brown paper bags. All right, so I do want to mention, if your zinnias or your marigolds are a hybrid, you may not get the same exact marigold or zinnia next year. So just a little side note on that. But let's talk quickly about storage. So once they're dry, you want to store them in either a clean, dry jar. You could use an envelope, a brown paper bag. I have my seed packets here that I mentioned earlier. And then you want to store them for the winter in a cool, dark, dry place. So a closet is a perfect spot, or if you have a very dry basement or attic, that's also perfectly fine. And then I like to label them, put the date on them, and that's it. Easy peasy, right? Free seeds, and a wonderful project to do with the kids. So that's it for today. Thanks again for joining. I love doing these videos for you, and if you like this one, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel because I'm passionate about gardening and sharing tips and tricks with you.